Fendi. Fendi Freak. Fiend. Fendi Fiend. Fendi First. First Fendi. Fendi First. First Fendi. We're gonna do a really quick Fendi unboxing. It's actually not for me, so it's not my first Fendi, but it is my first Fendi bag that I've ever bought. But not my first Fendi purchase, so whatever, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak. I luxury love. I shop all the cheap shit. And a Fendi freak, a Fendi fiend, a Fendi first, a Fendi and today we're doing a quick Fendi unboxing from this Fendi bag I got not in Roma, I got it in Milan. I got it in Milan for my aunt who really wanted this bag. I wanted a bag from Fendi, so we're just gonna do a quick unboxing, talk about the bag, talk about Fendi in general and what I think about it, and the new Fendi collection, the Pokemon one, and Fendi. We're gonna just Fendi. We're gonna talk about Fendi. We're gonna friggin' Fendi. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe and keep on watching. Okay, first off, do you like Fendi? Do you have Fendi? Do you want Fendi? What do you want from Fendi? What do you have from Fendi? What do you like? What do you don't like? Let me know in the comments below because I am pretty new to Fendi and their stuff, and I would love to know what is the best thing to get first. Should I get the Fendi first? Should I get the Baguette? Like, what do people like, don't like? Or like some videos of things that I should watch, let me know. We're gonna try to do it super quick. So I went and got this for my aunt from Fendi. She wanted a small bag and she had been eyeing a Fendi bag, and this was from their new collection. Background, Fendi in general. I don't have any Fendi bags. Do I? I do not. I do not have any Fendi bags. I have a couple of Fendi clothes. I have a few Fendi shirts and some belts that I got in France that I love. I love these belts. They're Fendi belts. They're reversible, 2 different colors on each side. I use them all the time because it's red, green, blue, and gray. It's like great. Only problem is it's silver hardware, not gold hardware, but whatever. But I love my Fendi shirts. My sister got a Fendi backpack, which I bought for her too. So technically I do have a Fendi bag on my account, which I do actually love that. So I can do another one of that. I'll do another video on the Fendi backpack later because I really like that bag. And I like Fendi in general. And I do want to talk about the Fendi Pokemon collection because that's a whole thing. And I don't know what your guys' thoughts are on it, but Fendi and Pokemon seems a little crazy, but also I love Pokemon and I love the Dragonite. So I kind of want it. And I don't know if I'm the geared market for it because I don't know who their geared market was for this, for like little kids and not for women. I don't know. Anyway, we can talk about that. I'll talk about that in another video, but I really do want to talk about the Fendi Pokemon Club. But we're going to talk about this real quick. So she wanted something different. And she wanted a small bag, but she didn't want a baguette. Or she kind of wanted a baguette, but she didn't want us like too small. So we actually got her this really cute, and I think it's called a phone pouch. And she wanted a different material. She wanted a different color. She didn't want the Fendi brown color, and she didn't want leather. So we got her this, I think it's carpet material. The lady literally described it as the carpet, like the carpet on the floor of Fendi. That was the same. And I'm trying to see if I have any videos from then. I'll try to insert them in here, but this is the bag. It's a Fendi phone pouch, but it's so cute because it's got a little top handle. So you can wear it like a little clutch. You can wear it like a little clutch. You can wear a little top handle. Obviously you can't wear it under your arm, but like you can wear it as a little bag. You can put it in your other bags. And then it's got a crossbody strap, which you can attach and make it crossbody, literally to hold your phone or to be like a little crossbody pouch or a little purse, right? And it's got an adjustable thing. I think it's really cute. It's got the big F there. It does feel like carpet. It literally feels like carpet. And then inside it's just one big compartment with one pocket. Okay. So I don't know. I want to learn more about Fendi. I really like the Fendi First bag. I think that's a really cool pouch clutch thing going on. My sister really likes it too, and I kind of want to get it for her. I kind of want her to get it, or I want to get it for her one day. The Fendi Baguette and like SJP and Sex and the City. My best friend loves Sex and the City and loves SJP, and always like Fendi Baguette's like a whole thing, and I think she made it a really big thing, right? Obviously. So that's that, but I don't know. The Pokemon collection, I think I'll talk about that in a separate video. I'm just gonna make this a super quick unboxing, and I'll try to play some clips of the Fred. But I had a really good experience with Fendi. They were really nice. They were really friendly. So like a comfortable. Same thing with the US. Like had a really great experience. I think Fendi is one of those brands. I mean, it is a little bit of a flashy brand, and the whole Fendi Versace thing I did not feel or was not very interested in it because it did feel a little flashy, and Versace is also very flashy. But they do have some really good stuff. And they're, like I said, the Fendi First bag is like it's like subtle. It's just a little F on the thing, and it's a very nice shape, clutch, cool look, and understated, and like I think timeless, and I think it's a classic. I think it will be a classic if it isn't already a classic. And also Fendi Baguette. I think one day I want to have a Fendi Baguette and a Fendi clutch, but Fendi first. I'm dabbling in Fendi. I do kind of want to look in the Pokemon collection. I think it's really interesting to put Dragonite and like on a Fendi bag and the t-shirts and things like that. I think I'm gonna wait for it to actually be, because I feel like it's not gonna, either it's gonna do really well, but I don't think it's doing really well. So I'm definitely gonna wait for it to get into the Fendi outlets and buy it at way less than retail, or like resale from somewhere else, because I'm sure it'll end up on the resale markets as soon as it gets marked down or people buy it and realize that they don't really want it, or if they were trying to resell it or whatever, it'll end up at the real world or something like that. So I'll wait for it to come down in price, because the prices are ridiculously high, like $850 for a t-shirt of a Dragonite that looks like it could be like from Target. No offense, Fendi. But I do really like the company. I do like the customer. That's what they have really good customer service. They were really friendly, really helpful, so kind. She was like, I mean, this was a $1,200 bag, which granted is a lot of money in general, but like in the scheme of things that they're selling is nothing. It's one of their smallest things. And she was treating us very, very kindly. We spent like 30, 40 minutes there, kept calling my aunt on the phone, FaceTiming her to see if she liked the bag, to make sure it was the right one. And she was very friendly and helpful, like helped us with the whole VAT thing, got us the VAT, gave us a global blue like lounge access, so we could go to the VAT and like talk, and then we get to this really nice lounge and like hang out there. It was really, really nice. They took really good care of us, even though we were a small customer, is what I'm saying. Like, no matter what the price point, they treated us really nicely, showed us everything, brought out a bunch of things, like let us take our time. We're not pushy. So I really like that about that. And then Fendi in the US in Beverly Hills, that one, the guy, the manager there, is so friendly and so helpful. He repaired both my belts. He, for free, when they should have charged for that, he helped me pick out my sister's backpack and was like super kind and super helpful, and like just like whenever you need anything, come back to me, blah blah blah, I'm always here for you. Like, and it was like just like the most accommodating, nice experience. Set us up with an essay, everything like that. Like, it was just a really, really, really good experience. So in general, I really like the company and the customer service and everything like that. And I feel like it's probably under one of the other umbrellas. I can't remember if it's like LVMH or Richemont or wherever it's under, so I'm sure, but really good, really great. Fendi first purchase. I'm definitely going to go back and get some more Fendi at some point or another as I branch out into other brands. Okay, that's all I got. So, but do you guys have Fendi? Do you like Fendi? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, do you like this? Do you want this? Do you want a bag like this? Do you have Fendi? What are your thoughts on Fendi in general? I would love to know and learn more about this brand, because it's not one of the brands that I talk about or know about just as well as the other ones I do. And as I continue to grow and learn, I do want to learn more. And also let me know about the Pokemon collection, because I think I should get something from it. But like I said, I'm gonna wait. But if anyone's got anything from it, let me know what you think. And let me know if you've seen it in person. I should actually go and see it. Maybe I will go and see it. But anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for everything. I appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends. If you hate each other, you know what I mean? 6 years time is valuable. I know you're precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Yay, yay, yay. Look at my nails. I just got them done.